My name is Nicholas Unis. I'm a finance and accounting major in an accelerated master's program here at University Park.
My name is Jake Unis. I'm a pre-med major at Penn State University Park. When we were in high school, my brother and I used to sell shoes like Jordans, Nike, Adidas, anything. And then that market started to get oversaturated. So my brother started to customize shoes with painting.
From making my own shoe, I decided I wanted to use the technology of tomorrow, which is 3D printing. And that's when we decided to combine both the technologies of 3D printing as well as 3D knitting. One of the big aspects of UnisBrands is we want to be able to close the supply chain loop. So from the plastic bottle that you throw away, we're able to then take that, completely rip it apart, make it into little tiny shreds. We're able to extrude and heat that out into a thread. We can then use that thread to 3D knit or 3D print either the upper or the midsole of the shoe, and we then assemble it and ship that to you.
So with our shoes, you can actually send them back. We'll grind them down, make them into smaller plastic pieces, melt it down, and we'll create a new pair out of that. It helps. Every little bit helps. And on top of that, you'll get a discount on your next pair, so it's an incentive. It incentivizes recycling.
So if we are given an award, our biggest thing is going to be marketing. So really being able to push our product on social media, as well as maybe finding micro influencers to then go ahead and push our product out to drive sales.